I'm out this morning in a woodland not far from Cannock Chase, and I've come out with one reason: to shoot wild garlic. And this is a beautiful location. It's only a small pocket of wild garlic, but it's absolutely beautiful, and the smell is just really pungent of garlic. I've come out with Simon Harvey, who has been on this channel before, and yeah, as I say, I've just framed up a scene here, pretty much what you can probably see just behind me. So you've got this little stream meandering through here, and I'm just balancing this I think it's probably a sycamore on the left hand side against this one on the right hand side. And it's making quite a nice scene, and what we have got this morning, as you can see, is a touch of fog with some beautiful golden light coming through. So this is absolutely spectacular. So yeah, really basic scene. I'll put this one on screen now, and yeah, go and see whatever compositions I can find. So I've come to the other side of the stream now and just had a bit of a chat with Simon. He was framing up a very similar composition to what I've got here. I kind of stole it, but tweaked it ever so slightly for my taste. And it's this, what I believe to be a sycamore, with this beautiful shape and this sort of kink to it. And obviously this sea of wild garlic. It's absolutely beautiful. We've still got a touch of fog as well, which is great. What time is it? 7:31, so I don't know if it's going to stick around very long, but we have got a lovely bit of golden light coming through as well, as I mentioned earlier. I've just been really careful to make sure that the branches here are not intersecting too much with the ones behind. It is quite a messy woodland, so it's not perfect, but I think it should still make a really nice image. So I'll put this one on screen, and I'm going to head up over this way and see what other photos I can frame up. I'd like to try and get some more with the stream, but it's really quite difficult. So I don't know, we'll have a look over here and maybe come back to the stream in a bit if this fog sticks around. So I'm still shooting the same tree I was shooting a moment ago, but I've just come a little bit further up the bank here, and just noticed that the tree is just sitting quite nicely where it is, a bit higher up. I originally was shooting down by this path down here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, and it framed up okay, but I just couldn't get quite the right sort of separation between the different branches. So I've come back a good 4 or 5 meters here, a little bit higher up the bank, and it's just completely transformed the scene. Just able to get a bit more separation between the different trees, and it's just a really beautiful scene. This main sort of foreground sycamore, if you like, has this sort of little V in it, and behind that there's another sycamore, I believe, in the background, which is just framing beautifully. And we've got a lovely bit of side light coming down here and just flooding this little pocket of wild garlic here. It's a beautiful scene. Don't know if it's going to work out as a good image, but yeah, something caught my eye anyway. So yeah, I'm going to put this one on screen. I'm not sure where Simon's gone, but I'm going to head up this way a bit and see what else I can find. Oh, just to note, I'm to be extremely careful because this floor is so slippy. guys, I think we're pretty much done for the wild garlic now. It's a beautiful location, but it is very difficult to frame up a good shot. I think I got a couple of really nice images this morning, but we're going to have a walk down this way, I believe, and see if we can find some bluebells. I'm a bit late for bluebells this year. Haven't really got out with the camera for the past couple of weeks due to work, but yeah, see what we can find. And hopefully with this fog, we can get some good photos. So we've arrived at this part of the woodland now, which maybe a couple of weeks ago would have had a sea of bluebells, and it would have been absolutely stunning. But as I mentioned back there, I've had a crazy couple of weeks at work, and I think I've missed the best of it, unfortunately. What's happening is the bracken's starting to come through, so you're getting a bit more of a mixture of green in with the blues. It's just making it look a bit messy, to be honest with you. But it is what it is. I mean, I've got a good couple of images back there with the wild garlic, which is good. And all is not lost. I'm going to walk around here still, see if I can try and frame up some shots. I did walk past a beautiful oak tree which was surrounded by bluebells a moment ago, but there didn't seem to be a path or an easy way to get positioned in order to get a composition there. So I might go back and have a look at that. What I don't want to do is stand on any of these bluebells. But still, what a fantastic morning. I can't believe the fog's still here. I mean, yeah, sunrise was about 5 o'clock, so I would have expected it to burn all of this off by now, but it doesn't seem to have done so. Had a bit of a fly with the drone, as did Simon, and yeah, it's only a very small woodland, but wow, it packs a punch. So I just walked all the way around this woodland and came across this field here with these dandelions, and with the side light we've got, and this obviously this mist and the dew that's on them, they're just lit up beautifully. I was just saying to Simon, if there was a lone tree on the back of the field over there, and get some of these in, I think that'll make an absolutely beautiful shot. But there isn't, so we won't take the shot. But lovely light, you won't work this out, but on the trees in the background over there, lovely light on there, I just pointed out as well. Wow, what a beautiful morning. All right, back at the car. Thanks for bringing that this morning.
Yeah, no worries.
Really
yeah,
enjoyed
great.
it.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah.
I've been out for, well, out of action really for a couple of weeks of work, so this has really helped reset my mind, to be honest with you. So yeah, thank you for that. And what a fantastic location.
Yeah, that mist this morning was quite good. I mean, it hasn't really dropped, has it?
It's still here.
I mean, it's still here. It's great. What time are we now? We're like 9:15, so it's really good.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah, it's a good location. A guy called, I don't know if I'm rude if you're talking about Paul Broadhurst, he showed me the location. Yeah, but I had some inkling it was here. I mean, on it, but yeah, great location that Paul. Yeah, really good as well. Yeah, really good.
Yeah, I've checked him out, and some of the photos he got from here and all of his other photos are fantastic as well. So go and check out both Simon's and Paul's.
Yeah, Paul Broadhurst photography
Instagram.
is really good guy. Really nice guy to meet as well. Very good. Yeah.
I'll put a link to him in the description below.
Yeah, really good.
But,
yeah.
Now you're off on holiday for a couple of weeks, or for a week, aren't you?
Yeah, we're off today, this afternoon. We're 4 days down Anglesey, so I'll probably shooting a few nice competitions around Anglesey, probably some of the local things. I'm meeting Mark Pierce photography down there as well.
Mark Pierce, yeah.
Yeah, on Monday, so he's a nice guy, really good. Yeah, nice guy. If you want him.
I think you'll find well with a lot of photographers as well. I've met quite a few now, certainly over the past year. We're all just sort of great, like-minded people. We just, meet up on these sort of things, and it's nice to have a chat about things that we're all interested in. So
yeah, it's good to meet other people as well. I think, Martin, as well. When you get to meet other photographers, and also like you say, meeting someone like me who knows this location, and Paul, they're really good for like showing people around.
Yeah.
And it's a bit like Mark. I mean, I'll go with Mark tomorrow, and he'll show me other places around Anglesey which I've not been to.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of his videos recently, and he's some of the places I've been to I've never even heard of, but they look spectacular.
Really good, yeah, very good, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, real good, fantastic morning. Cheers.
Enjoyed it, thank you.
Thanks very much, buddy.
Cheers for showing us around.
No worries at all.
Right, so with that, I think I'll go end the video. I think it'll be quite a short one this morning, but yeah, it was just good to get out. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.